welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I am Terry. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make tacos. So if it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, I don't care. There's always a good day for tacos. So I'm going to show you a very quick, easy way to make tacos. Oh my goodness, you guys. This recipe could not be any simpler. It does require a little bit of planning because it's going to cook in the slow cooker, crock pot, Instant Pot. If you use an Instant Pot, it's on low, on slow cook setting, and it's going to go for 8 to 12 hours. So you do need to plan ahead. But other than that, that's the only level of difficulty in this recipe. So we're going to start with 1 cup of chopped onion and a clove of garlic, 1 cup of dried lentils. These are just your brown or green lentils. Red lentils cook a little bit quicker, so you want to get the brown or the green lentils because they're more conducive to a slow cooking process. Okay, you got a tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 14 ounces of water, which ends up being just a little bit more than 1 2/3 of a cup. So 14 ounces depends on your measuring cup. If you don't have ounces listed on your measuring cup, just do 1 3/4 cup. And then you got a cup of salsa and just mix it up. Press start on your slow cooker, and by the time you get home from work, you'll have tacos. You can serve it any other way that you would normally eat your tacos, whether it's a taco salad in a taco shell. Use your toppings of choice. So you're ready for Taco Tuesday or any other day that you just want delicious tacos.